Welcome to P.S.E.M.S. Good morning, students. Till now, we have finished three chapters. I hope you have completed your theory in your computer CW. Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, Tux Paint. In this chapter, we are going to see how to use this Tux Paint and how to work on it. So, let's start with this chapter. Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing painting programs, Tux Paint has lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects, which make it one of the best drawing software. Fact file: Bill Kendrick, the lead developer and the designer of Tux Paint. Let us look at its unique features. Tux Paint is free software. Tux Paint has drawing mascot who helps you to know more about Tux Paint. A large variety of tools help the children to bring out their best creative designs. We can add personalized stamps on our drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are played when we selected any tool. We can load and save images directly as the thumbnails. And there is no need to specify a file name. Tux Paint is an award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. The program can be downloaded from www.tuxpaint.org. How to open Tux Paint? Firstly, click on Start, then All Programs, then click on Tux Paint, then Tux Paint windowed. You will now see the welcome screen of Tux Paint. After the welcome screen, we will see the opening screen of Tux Paint. Toolbox has a total of 14 different tools. Colors is the palette from where you can choose different colors. The penguin is your friend. It tells the proper method of using the selected tool. We have 17 fixed colors and one choice color. Sub-toolbox contains more options of particular tool. Fact file: Clicking the new button will display color boxes. Starters to start a new drawing. Starters is like a page from a coloring book with a white outline of picture in which you can color. Whenever we start Tux Paint, the paint tool is selected by default. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. We can use it to draw freehand images or sketches, as well as select various brushes shapes present in its sub-toolbox. Let's know more. To create a new file, select New Tool and choose any background. Click an Open button present at the bottom left side of the canvas. Let us start drawing a scenery using the Paint tool option. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes from a hand to a paint brush. Select the brown color from the colors palette and draw few mountains at the upper part of the drawing area. Like this. Okay. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountains as shown in the figure. It is as simple as your paint. Now select blue color and draw a wavy line for river as shown in the figure. HAZE brush is unique subtool which has hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Let us try our hand. Select the paint tool. Then now select the HAZE brush shape and select light blue color. Now draw a few clouds in the sky. Did you get the difference? Similarly, select the green color and draw the trees as shown in the figure. Now, we have learned how to use the HAZE brush shape. And then, time for some magic. The most special feature of Tux Paint is the magic tool. We can use the magic tool to draw and give amazing effects to a picture. Select the magic tool. Then pointer will change to magic wand. Now we will apply some magical effects to our drawing. You can add more colors by clicking on the last option of the colors palette. After clicking it, the More Color dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice and click on Back button to go back to the main screen and use the selected color. Blur magic. This subtool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. Let us see how it works. Now select the magic tool and then the blur effect from the subtools. Then apply it all over the boundaries of mountains and see how it looks. You can use the blur effect as many times as you like. Every time you use this tool, the image will fade a little more than the original one. Using grass effect. It is used to give grass effect in drawing. Click the magic tool and select the grass effect from the subtool box. Then select a green color from the color palette. Now draw some grass by clicking on the canvas as shown in the figure. See, it's simple, right? You just have to click and it will appear. Fill tool. It is used to fill color in object. The magic tool is already selected. Select the fill tool and choose blue color from the color palette. Now bring the magic wand over a river. The blue color will be filled in the river. Select brown color and click on the mountains to fill the brown color. Likewise, fill yellow color in the sun and red color in the roof of the top and orange color in the lower rectangle of it. Using flower tool. It is a ready-made option to draw flowers on the canvas. Click the flower tool, which is sub tool of the magic tool. Select the red color from the color palette. Bring the magic wand over the grass. Keep clicking on the grass area and flowers on it. See? Likewise, select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. Erase tool is used to erase drawing in Tux Paint. Now stamp tool. It is a simple tool which is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. Tux Paint already has some inbuilt stamps. Click the stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the subtool box. For more stamp, click the right or left arrow. Select the cork stamp. Then you can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using just above the color palette in the subtool box. Now click on the canvas and then the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the heart stamp and paste on the canvas. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the subtool box. Clicking on the mirror button. Now paste the select stamp beside the previous stamp. Now line tool. Line tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the paint tool. The line tool has the same brush shape in the subtool box and the paint tool. The only difference between the paint tool and lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using paint tool, you can see the image which you are drawing at the very moment. On the other hand, while using line tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you complete that line and releases the left mouse button. Now let's see. Draw a pattern using the lines tool. Select the line tool and choose any pattern from the subtool box. Now draw a straight line as shown in the figure. When you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Important note: a line tool has the same brush shape in the sub-tool box as the pen tool. Saving the file. Tux Paint provides an easy method to save work using the Save tool. There is no need to mention the file name. Tux Paint saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. The naughty penguin confirms that you have successfully saved your file. Opening a saved file. To open an already saved file, click on Open tool. You will see all the images that you have been saved in Tux Paint till date. Click on the image that you want to open. Now click on Open button. Note: you can view all the saved files in the form of slideshow by clicking on Slide button. Click on the Play button to view the slideshow. The slideshow views every image in the form of big file. At the bottom right side of the screen, you will find the Back button. Click on it to go back to the previous window. Here we have finished our 4th chapter. I hope you understood. If not, you can repeat this video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.